English Learning Network.
25 everyday objects and how to use them in sentences. Let's get started. Objects. Pen. This is a pen. I write with a pen. Do you have a pen? Objects. Chair. This is a chair. I sit on the chair to read or work. What color is your chair? Objects. Bottle. This is a bottle. I drink water from the bottle. Staying hydrated is very important. Objects. Pencil. This is a pencil. I write my ideas in the notebook with a pencil. What do you write in your notebook? Objects. Clock. This is a clock. The clock shows the time. Can you tell me what time it is now? Objects. Plate. This is a plate. I serve food on the plate. Objects. Spoon. This is a spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. Objects. Cup. This is a cup. I drink tea in a cup. What's your favorite drink? Objects. Mirror. This is a mirror. I look at myself in the mirror every morning. Objects. Towel. This is a towel. I dry my hands with the towel after washing. Objects. Shoes. These are shoes. I wear shoes when I go outside. What color are your shoes? Objects. Ball. This is a ball. I play with the ball in the park. Do you like playing with a ball? Objects. Bed. This is a bed. I sleep on the bed at night. Is your bed comfortable? Objects. Pillow. This is a pillow. I rest my head on the pillow. How many pillows do you have on your bed? Objects. Lamp. This is a lamp. The lamp lights up the room. Do you use a lamp when you study? Objects. Hat. This is a hat. I wear a hat when it's sunny outside. Do you like wearing hats? Objects. Glasses. These are glasses. I wear glasses to read better. Do you know anyone who wears glasses? Objects. Soap. This is soap. I wash my hands with soap to keep them clean. Do you use liquid soap or a bar of soap? Objects. Vase. This is a vase. The flowers are in the vase. Do you have flowers in your house? Objects. Scissors. These are scissors. I use scissors to cut paper. Always be careful with scissors. Objects. Umbrella. This is an umbrella. I use the umbrella when it's raining. What color is your umbrella? Objects. Blanket. This is a blanket. I use a blanket to stay warm at night. Do you like soft blankets? Objects. Bag. This is a bag. I carry my books in the bag. What do you keep in your bag?
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.